Save from Hulk. Come on. Dun dun dun. Dun. That's not gonna help you. He's like, what is this?
Go fill the potatoes now, Mom.
You got it. He's scared of Hulk.
I called her Mommy and Poopa.
So funny.
You know when he turn around and start decking people, it's like,
I know, right?
funny. You know he gets mad and starts hitting her.
He gets mad and starts
He
to
goes like this.
Yeah.
It's funny.
So funny.
Yeah,
Get
Jose, look, Jose.
Jakey is his nickname?
Yeah. He's scared of this Hulk. Look, look.
Me want to eat your baby back rib.
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. Come on, Jake, save him! Save him from the Hulk! Iron Man, save him! Unibeam! 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 How do you do Unibeam?
Iron Man.
Jacob!
No, Iron
Jacob! Jacob! Show! Do Unibeam! Unibeam! Yeah! Unibeam! Come on!
Do Spider-Man.
Spider-Man! Now do Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
Sticky.
Now do
This way. Do Spider-Man this way.
Spider-Man right here! Spider-Man! Right here!
That was gonna come out.
Now do Hulk! Hulk! Hulk!
Cute.
He
Hulk!
about to destroy.
Hulk angry, right?
Angry.
Hulk is angry. Say it louder. Hulk angry. He's so angry. Hulk is so mad. Hulk so angry. Hulk smash.
Hulk, ma.
Oh! Come on, Hulk smash. Oh, Hulk smash right here. Here, Hulk smash.
You don't know what the hell to do with that.
Now do Iron Man. Iron Man Unibeam.
No. He said, wait a minute, where's the